Donna May Rivera.
Good day, everyone. I am Donna May Rivera, representing Team Ballers.
And of course, our candidate number 3, yan mag-ingay lahat ng Green Vipers. Tawagin natin si Princess Nicole Oclidal.
Anis.
Afternoon to everyone. My name is Princess Nicole Oclidal, and I'm presenting the Green Vipers.
Okay, our candidate number 4. Tawagin natin ng news from Santown. No other than Zia and Yevandra Kali.
Malis.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Zia Khalid, representing Santown.
Thank you. Yun lang, dapat mahaba. Anong pa ba? Hindi ko alam po eh. Teka lang.
Parang ko maintindihan sa